Sex is a beautiful thing between partners, but taking it to the next level by just doing the simple tips before and after lovemaking. Watch this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For returning subscribers, welcome to this family. My name is Selena of Duty. In this video, I'll be telling you things you need to ensure in place before the game plan, before making love. The right environment. Countless times we always think that friends or families, children are bumping into us. And this causes a lot of distractions. So the first thing you do is to jam that door. Ladies, don't wait for the men to do it. Make sure you jam that door. Secondly, invest in a good beddings, such as good mattress, good bed covers. If you want to spend money in your home, the best place to spend that money in is in your bedroom. It's in your beddings, into your mattress. Make sure you get a mattress covers, because you want to prevent your bed from getting those juices all the time. You want to keep your bed dry and clean. So make sure you get a good mattress covers. The next thing before making love is to ensure that you have a small towel, tissue paper, you have your sex gadget just in place so you can use as the time comes. And talking about the 6 seconds men, ladies, you don't have to put them away. You don't have to be discouraged. You just have to be patient with your partners, because there are so much options out there to cure this issue, to cure this problem. I know a lot of women who has gone, I'm a woman of a particular age. I know a lot of women who has gone as far as getting a divorce because of this issue. Please, the 6 seconds men, encourage them to see a gynecologist, encourage them to see their family physicians, because there's so much options out there for them. If you leave the seconds men out there, if you leave them, if you divorce them, another woman of your type will pick up this man and make them so powerful. And by the end of the day, who is losing? You are the one who is going to lose. Yeah, it is what it is. Nature, guys, nature, ladies. So the next thing is what to do post love making. Ladies, so many ladies out there, what we do douching. Douching, this is a picture of the product from the over-the-counter in a drugstores that you can get, that some ladies uses to douche. The douching is a method of introducing that liquid into Miss V in order to cleanse Miss V, in order to prevent STDs, in order to prevent pregnancy. Ladies, douching with this liquid will not help clean Miss V. Leave Miss V alone. Miss V has a natural oven that do self-cleaning on a regular basis. If you're having any signs of infection, you're having pain during urination, or there's any redness, or there's a tingling, or there's a discharge from Miss V, now is the time for you to go and seek the help of a health professional who will give you the best treatment for that. And if you're trying to prevent pregnancy by douching, you're not preventing any pregnancy. If you're pregnant, you know what to do. So by using douching, that's not going to prevent pregnancy. You know what? Then I decided to go on a trip. I went to the drugstore to see if there are still some products out there. And of course, lo and behold, there was so many products out there for douching. So I decided to do my own research. And I bought this just for you guys. Yeah. It's called pH Fresh. It's clean balance. pH Fresh. So I'm going to list this product down below. I don't know, whatever country that you're watching me from, where to get this product. I will tell you how to use this product. I will also tell you the content of this product. Okay, so how to use this product. It says every 3 days when there's a pH imbalance, before and after your period, after douching. This product also eliminates odor and discomfort, and it helps to maintain a healthy vaginal pH. Guys, before we start, this video is not being sponsored by anybody. This is a product I bought off from the drugstore just to show you guys what our ladies out there are using this product for. And I would also like to tell you the content of this. The ingredients here, we have water, it contains glycerin, it contains polycarbonate fuel, benzoyl alcohol, it also contains sodium hydroxide, it contains tocopherol, it contains carbamide, homopolymer. And the gel inside of this, I'm going to show you, contains acetic acid, it contains sodium benzoate, and it contains sodium chloride. That is what this product contains. Okay, so now let's open up the product that we put into Miss V just to cleanse Miss V. So we have, this is the applicator, right? This is the liquid, right? And I just told you what this liquid contains. It contains some acid and some other stuff. And this is the cap. This is the one you introduced into Miss V on it. All right. So having said this, so what you do is, okay, I'm just going to put this down. And I'm just going to open one after the other. It's just, yeah, this is the gel. This is the gel. This is the liquid. And this is what goes into Miss V. So all you do is you open up, just to show you it's a brand new one. Okay, so you open up the liquid bottle and you just, I call this the applicator. Just attach the applicator on, and this is what you squeeze. You squeeze this by maybe sitting down in the toilet. you squeeze it into Miss V, right? And after squeezing this into Miss V, then this is the gel. Then you take the gel, you break the tip off, and just squeeze the whole content into. So now, ladies, after telling you all the ingredients, it's all in the packets. After telling you all the ingredients, then that this cleansing product they say that I got from the drugstore, after telling you all the ingredients that it contains, in this product, the glycerin, the acetic acid, the sodium hydroxide, the tocopherol, and all that stuff. Now, ladies, you tell me, is it natural to introduce stuff like this into Miss V because you want to cleanse? You want to cleanse Miss V. Ladies, Miss V is a self-cleaning oven, just like I said before. Leave it alone. If at all you want to douche, you want to clean up that juice that went into Miss V, you know what I would suggest? Do it with water. Don't do it with this liquid. Because you know what this liquid can cause? It can cause you to have an abnormal pH. Miss V has a pH level of 3 to 4. If you introduce this liquid into Miss V, then you're tipping that pH balance level. It's either you're making it too acidic or you're making it alkaline. And when you do that, you might get a vaginal infection, or you might cause Miss V to have pain. So finally, ladies, judge for yourself with the content that this cleansing gel, this product contain. Will you introduce this into Miss V? Knowing all those acetic acid, it's not natural. Miss V is natural. Don't introduce anything that will create an pH imbalance inside Miss V. Because Miss V has a certain pH balance of 3 to 4. If you introduce stuff like this that contains chemicals and other stuff into Miss V, you might come up with infection, you might come up with pain in the pelvic region. Ladies, if you notice some vaginal discharge from Miss V that smells like a cheese leg, you know it's time to see a gynecologist. There's a treatment option for you out there. I would now suggest you use this. Instead, use water. Use water to flush Miss V, even if you have to do something. Otherwise, Miss V is a self-cleaning oven. It cleanses itself from time to time. If you're thinking you have an STD, sexually transmitted disease, then it's time to see a health professional. All right, ladies, please don't introduce stuff like this. Even though it's been sold everywhere in the drugstore, they have different names for it out there. I was watching a video the other time, some other YouTube video that was encouraging stuff like this to be introduced into Miss V. Ladies, that is not right. Don't introduce stuff that contains chemicals that is not good for your body, that will cause you infection, that will cause you pain, that will cause Miss V imbalance. Don't do that to yourself. All right, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Please do subscribe and touch the notification button. When I upload, you'll be the first to get my video. Thanks and bye.